Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video, we are going to look at the marking criteria and marking distribution of the speaking module. When it comes to speaking module, a lot of students are not really sure which task is important, which task is going to give us points in speaking, and which task is going to give us points in the other modules. So in this particular video, I have got a chart for you. I have shown you the calculation and I'll tell you task by task that which task will give you how many points in your speaking module and which one is the most important and what you should be focusing on. So without any further delays, let's get into the video. All right, guys, as you can see on your screen, this is the marking criteria, marking distribution or score weightage for your speaking module. I've got all the calculations here. First of all, you all need to understand that even though you get your scores out of 19 PT, right? The minimum you can get is 0. Means if you don't attempt anything, you won't get a 0. The minimum you can get is actually 10. If you do not attempt anything, you won't get 0, you'll get 10. So basically 10 is equivalent to 0 in PT. So your test is only out of 80 points. You need to understand, otherwise you'll be confused. Very first task of your speaking is personal introduction. You get one question of this. This is not marked, so this will give you 0 points in your speaking module. Next is your read aloud. I've taken the average number of questions a student is likely to get. Let's say if you've got 6 questions, one read aloud is 15 points. Out of these 15 points, 5 points are for your content, which goes to your reading module. So only one read aloud will only give you 10 points in speaking. 10 into 6, 60. Repeat sentences, you get 10. One repeat sentence is 13 points. 3 points go into your listening module. These are for your content. So basically, again, one repeat sentence will give you 10 points in speaking. Describe image, everything goes into speaking. One describe image is 15 points into 345. Retell lecture, you get 15 points from one retell lecture. 10 points go into speaking and 5 points go into your listening. That's why 15 minus 5. 15 are the total points. Minus 5 means points which are going to your listening module. Remaining are 10 points into 220. Answer short question, you get 1 point each. Let's say you've got 5 answer short questions, you get 5 points. This is the total, right? Now I've calculated and weighed this out of 80. If you calculate it, you get 28 points from your read aloud in your speaking, 31 points from your repeat sentence in your speaking, 13 points from your describe image, 6 points from your retell lecture, and only 2 points from your answer short question. That is why I always say this is super important. This is extremely important. Moderate importance, not important at all. Now, what you have to do and what you have to focus. You have to practice 20 read aloud every day, 30 repeat sentence every day. Both of these you need to focus on fluency and your clarity. Describe image, retell lecture, just practice 3 every day. Answer short questions, don't worry about practicing much. Now, another thing, if a student gets 7 read aloud, 12 repeat sentence, 3 describe image, 1 retell lecture, then the weightage or the contribution will go down and up a bit. But if you look at the rankings, this will always be the highest contributor. This will be the second highest contributor. This will be the third highest contributor, fourth highest contributor, and the least contributor. So your score or contribution can vary a bit because every student will have different exam pattern or exam structure. You can say some students get more read aloud, some students get more describe images, but this is the average what you'll get, and this is good enough to give you a good idea of what and how much score you'll be getting. Now, what do we take out of this video? We take out of this video is you need to focus on your read aloud and repeat sentence. Both are extremely important for your speaking module. Then describe image, retell lecture, just follow the template and keep it simple. Focus on your fluency and clarity. Answer short question, don't practice much, you'll be fine. 20 read aloud, 30 repeat sentence, 3 describe image, 3 retell lecture, and you'll be fine. Speaking is the backbone. If you do good in your speaking, you will get good points in your speaking, reading, and listening, because read aloud is going to give you points in reading. Repeat sentence and retell lecture are going to give you points in listening. So follow these things and you'll be 100% fine. That's it from this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can let me know in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you. Finally, if you need any help, we have got our branches in Australia and in India, and we do provide online classes all around the world. You can contact us on any of these numbers, and to practice, you just register on languageacademy.com.au, or you download the LAPT exam practice app and start practicing for free. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.